America's future workforce is being built in the CSRA. The University of South Carolina Aiken connects the region's education, national defense, and critical industries like the Savannah River Site, Fort Gordon, Bridgestone, Meta, USC Aiken, and many others. USCA plays a key role in connecting talent, research, and opportunity, building the workforce needed to support critical energy and national defense missions. The USC Aiken campus is growing to meet these demands. The AMC is an on-campus Department of Energy research facility co-hosting USCA students and faculty. The Cyber Integration Center and the Aiken Readiness Center are on-campus facilities for the National Guard and USCA cyber students. The Security Operations Center is one of only a few student-led SOCs in the nation. It provides cybersecurity support for the campus and local government. This gives students real-world experience as they get their education. This effort is about more than academics. It's about partnership, collaboration, and economic growth. At USC Aiken, we aren't just preparing students for the jobs of tomorrow. We're helping secure their future, one community, one business, and one graduate at a time.